eat lunch.
Keep it going.
Y'all do every day. You can let the music keep riding. We're not starting yet. I just want to warm y'all up. My name is Quincy Bonds, Morehouse graduate, class of '94. You can also catch me on House of Pain. I play a character named Pookie on the show. And Morehouse is my alma mater, man, and my alumni. So y'all are in for a real treat. Fat Comedy is my company. We started it after we graduated from Morehouse, man. So we're gonna show you how we get down and what Morehouse College can do for you. All you gotta do is study and stay in school, man. It's a real good look. And y'all in for a real treat. FatComedy.com is the website. We might need to grab our banner. So grab something to eat, man. We're about to start the show in about 5 minutes. About 2 of my comedians out here to rent the stage for y'all, man, show you how we do it. And just in case anybody's interested in a career in stand-up comedy or acting or getting on television, man, we got some connects that we're gonna turn over to y'all, man. Just because y'all went to the same school I went to, class of '94. Oh, real quick, anybody, where's my West Coast at in the building? We got West Coast in the lunch? Where y'all at?
West Side.
Come on, West Coast. Okay? That's what I'm talking about. I actually came out of high school in Seattle, Washington, man, Garfield High School, so I don't know if any of y'all familiar with the West Coast, 206, from Los Angeles, California. Where's my East Coast at? We got East Coast in here? I know y'all repping.
Building up
top. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, where my down south fellas at? We got the south side in here? That's what everybody's repping. Well, sit tight, man. We're about to show you how we get down. FatComedy.com is the website.
Maybe.
Quincy Bonds, a.k.a. Pookie from Tyler Perry's House of Pain. We're about to get it in. Y'all gonna split up your food, man. Somebody got to throw up in the show. We're gonna make sure of that. That's how we do it. Yo, DJ, ride out on him for a hot minute.